wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z, from east to west, my name's Olivia! And welcome back to Dream Again! Today I'm here with Fluffy. Yeah, we're going to teach you guys some cool stuff. And guess how we're going to teach you cool stuff? We're going to teach you cool stuff by teaching Fluffy cool stuff. Yeah, let me see. Fluffy's got a big ear. He's so fluffy. Oh, there you are, Fluffy. Yeah, so today, guys, we're going to show you how we do a training session with Fluffy. Yeah. What? Fluffy. But you like training. Oh, are you sleeping? Well, first I'll tell the kids how we do training. And then I'm going to make you get up and do training. So, kids, this is very important. Even on the days when your dog doesn't want to train, you should train your dog every day anyways. Yep. If you do just maybe 5 minutes a day, it goes a long way. And most of the time, once you start going, your dog won't want to stop because it's so much fun and they get treats. So it's really good. So today, Fluffy, you can't sneak away. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to start out with, let's do an easy one. Fluffy, do you want a treat? Fluffy. Hey, wake up. Fluffy, do you want a treat? You want a treat? Yeah. Okay, can you sit pretty? Good boy. Now here's a treat. Good. See? And your dog really likes getting treats, and it's a good idea to do tricks more than once sometimes or in different orders. So next, come. Fluffy, come. Good, come. Good boy. All right, and now, Fluffy. Fluffy really does not want to do his training today, huh? Can you lay down? Good boy. Here. Wow, guys, I think we're going to have to do a more exciting trick to make Fluffy really wake up, huh? Yeah, what kind do you think? Do you think maybe we should do... Oh, I know. Fluffy, this one could get you excited. Fluffy, can you speak? Speak. Good. Here's a treat. All right, and Fluffy, speak. Good boy, now quiet. Good, quiet. Good boy, here's a treat. Good boy. Oh, Fluffy, can you... Oh, what ones do you guys like the most? I think it's really funny when dogs pretend like they're dead. It's really funny. So, Fluffy, can you play dead? Yeah. See that? No, Fluffy, play dead. Good, stay. No, Fluffy. And if your dog... Oh, Fluffy, you're so silly. Fluffy's so silly sometimes. Yeah. Oh. Fluffy, wait, I didn't say. Okay, so if your dog does a trick, but then stops doing it before you say, then you don't give him the treat, and you just wait 1 minute before you give him the treat. Fluffy, come. Good boy, good, come. Okay, Fluffy, play dead. Good boy, here you go. Yeah, and if they do the trick right, but they have a hard time with that one, it's good to give them the treat right away so that they learn it. Fluffy, can you do roll over? All the way. Other way. All the way. See, here he's He's trying really, really hard, but he's not sure what to do. Here, get a treat. Okay, now Fluffy. So go play dead. And now roll over. Good boy, good Fluffy, good roll over, good boy. Here you go, get a treat. Here's a treat. Good boy, yeah. Good boy, good Fluffy. Yeah. Yeah, and you want to know what else is good about training your dog? You can also train things that help you take care of them. So like, I can do this and go, Fluffy, let me touch your mouth. See? Good, and here's a treat. See, I'm getting Fluffy to let me touch his mouth like that. That helps for when we brush his teeth. Yep. Good. Here's a treat. Good boy, Fluffy. And, oh, let's do, can you shake? Can you shake my hand? Yes. Good boy. Yeah, and then we can teach them to shake. Here's a treat. Good boy. And that's how we get them to say hello to people. Oh, we can also do, Fluffy, can you do high five? Woo, good job. Good Fluffy. Here's a treat. And, oh, what about this one, Fluffy? Wait. This one's his favorite. Kisses. Yep. He's got me. Fluffy. Fluffy, it tickles. Oh, that one's Fluffy's favorite, but it's also my favorite. Okay, here's a treat, Fluffy. Sometimes I think he doesn't actually need a treat for that one because he just likes doing it so much anyways, huh? Do you guys have dogs that like to lick a lot? Sometimes I wonder if I licked Fluffy, if he would like it or not. Yeah. Should I lick you? Now I don't want to lick him. I'll get so much dog hair in my mouth, huh? Yeah, too much. Can we also do, let's try, can you do sit pretty? Good boy. And now can you stay? This one's kind of hard sometimes. And no, Fluffy, come back, come. And now sit. Good, now stay. Stay, and look, and then I'll move away a little bit. See? And when I move away a little bit, Fluffy, Fluffy! Uh-oh. Good boy, good come. We're still working on stay. So you know what a good trick is for working on stay when they're not good at it yet? So you go Fluffy, stay, and then you hold the treat. Fluffy, stay, and you hold the treat right in front of them. And then you kind of move around them instead of them moving. And then you go, good stay. And if you practice that way with your dog a lot of times, Fluffy, stay, good stay. Fluffy. Good. Fluffy. He's trying to get to his treats, I think. Yeah. How about we do one more trick and then I give you your toy? Yeah? Let's do 3 in a row. Yeah? Okay, let's do speak. Good. Shake. Good. Shake. And kisses. Oh, Fluffy. Oh, that's so slobbery. Ew. There's so much dog slobber. Okay, let's see. Where's your toy? Uh-oh. Here, we'll give you this toy Blinky. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yep, and when you're all done with training, you just want to give him a toy and let him know that he was so good. Oh, Fluffy. He's such a cute puppy. Do you guys train your dogs at home? Yeah. Yeah, did you tear that all up? Yeah. Good boy, Fluffy. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah. Now Fluffy's going to take a nap. I would love it if you guys would maybe send me a video or a story where you tell me about the tricks you do with your dogs so I can learn even more tricks to do with Fluffy because Fluffy's really, really smart. He needs a little practice, but that's because I haven't been training him every single day. And I know I've got to keep doing it every single time. Huh, Fluffy? Yeah. Good boy. Good boy, Fluffy. Aw. Okay. All right, kids. Well, thank you guys for coming. Yeah? Thank you so much. And have fun and say hi to your dogs and take them on a walk and do some training with them, okay? All right, thanks. Bye. Bye. Woof, woof. Good boy, Fluffy. Yeah, I think I'm going to take a nap with you.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!